Right, in this job, we're gonna use we're gonna do the final drive gear oil from BMW. It's only 7 ounces, and then do the tools is like a 6mm favorite Allen, and then the T45 Torx 1/4 inch drive. And then for the fender, it's like a T30 long one. Take it out the fender, and the small ratchet 1/4 inch ratchet drive. Right, in this case, I'm gonna do the rear end oil fluid change. We need to use again Torx T30s. Try to take it out of the fender from the back, so that way we have access to the top part and the drain plug. And right here is the drain. This one right here. From the top is Allen 6mm. Ratchet. Break down. And then for the drain plug is a T45 Torx. You put the tool all the way in, that way you don't have any troubles with the head. Get ready with the little container. Right here you can see the little drain plug. Always have like a little magnet with all the debris. See the debris for the rear end. Clean it up right here inside. You can see the color, the fluid. It's black. This is the BMW final drive gear oil 7590. The drain plug. Make sure the O-ring is good. Clean it. Now fill it up. Bolts the top, make sure the washer is in it, the right spot. Alright, now we're putting back the rear fender. Thanks for watching.